G'day guys, how are we all going? Today I'm going to be doing a quick review of the King's fire pit. This is a cheap steel one. This is going to be like an initial thoughts as well. I never used it before, so I wanted to give it a go. I haven't been able to get out. Still in the lockdown, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. So when you pull it out, it's 4 big thick steel plates. So I think they're 2-inch 2-inch thick. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what they are. And it's very simple to set up. So got those 2 plates there. Take one of these side plates and you put it in there. Do the back one as well. And then just that side one there. And once it's together, it is very solid, like it's not going to go anywhere. So we're going to light up a quick fire and then I'll come back to it. Alrighty, so I've had this fire going now for about 20 to 25 minutes, and as you can tell, it's still not very big. So that is one major problem these fire pits do have, is they don't allow enough airflow into them. So there's 2 ways to remedy that. You can either cut a slit with an angle grinder, or drill holes with a drill to allow air in. So I'm going to do both of those. So I'm going to drill a hole on that end there and that end here, to allow air in that way, and then I'm going to cut 2 slits with an angle grinder, one on this side and one on that side, to allow air to come in that way as well. And that should allow it to start a lot quicker, because it takes a while to start. It'll burn a lot hotter as well, so it'll keep you warmer, and it should reduce a lot of this smoke, because the smoke is, from my knowledge, basically when the fire's not burning efficient enough, it produces smoke. So if you get hotter and cleaner, it should reduce a lot of the smoke. So yeah, we'll get onto that now. Alrighty, so I've got it apart now. This is one of the end pieces and this is one of the side pieces. So I made a rough mark there whereabouts I want it. So now I'm just going to center it up. So it's 400 wide. So we want it at 200. And yeah, I want it about that height. So I'll call an even 125 up. So if you want to do it yourself, 200 in from the edge and then 125 mil up from the bottom will give you that one. And then with this one, I measured it roughly 50 mil up. I want the slit to start. So 50 and 50, and then to give it enough strength, I'll probably come in 40 mil from the slits, just so I'm not too close to those. So 40 mil there, and 40 mil there. Alright, so line from there to there, and I'll mark the rest of them up and get. Alrighty, so as you can see, now that it's all back together, so that hole is just above that cross, and the two slits are both 40mm, 50mm, whatever I did, up from the base. So that should allow a good amount of airflow now to actually get into the bottom of your fire and allow it to get going. So I'll go light up a fire now and we'll go have a look at it. Alrighty guys, so this has been about 5 to 10 minutes, if that, and as you can tell, it's definitely working a lot better. It's still producing a bit of smoke, but all fires are going to produce smoke. You can't really stop it completely, you can only reduce it, which I think this definitely has. And as you can see, this fire is raging, like it's really hot. The extra airflow has definitely made it light up quicker, and it's going to use a lot more wood now, but I'd rather it use more wood and actually be a decent fire that I can like put a grate over and cook on than it just smoulder away and smoke. And yeah, so I think that's definitely fixed it. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you have, please drop a like and a comment, and consider subscribing. It really does help it out. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.